Hello guys, I'm Halo Quest. To tell you in this tutorial how to upgrade your iOS in your iPhone device without losing any data. In a case your iPhone is not recommending to upgrade, however, how do you upgrade? With the help of computer or PC laptops without losing any data. Yes, this can be possible when we tap on a setting and we will see here how do you 18.5 to 26. How do you get it? Without losing any data. We will come in a general guys, tap on a general. General to of course we will click on a software update and we can see here it's saying that 18.5 up to date. So let's enable a beta version. Beta version here is a 26 developer especially. It's a developer beta. If we click here then of course we will have an opportunity to installations, but right now it's not a giving here. Then once again we will go for update. Now we can see here it's now updating. In a case here of course we can update. In a case see here 26 beta 2 is recommending right now. In a case your iPhone is not recommending that, what you will do here guys? Yes, or quickly if you would like to with the help of computers, then go for an administrations, that is especially this 3U2. Click on here refresh option, connect your data cable, and thereupon of course we have downloaded this. It will automatically recommend to you. So here is a 18.6 beta, 26.0 beta and 26.0 beta 2. So I had downloaded 26.0 beta 2. Now we will go for install, but without losing any data. Then of course we will have to elect here, that is retain user data, so that all the data would be retained, and thereupon of course with all apps and applications of course would be retained, and only once this iOS would be especially replaced from 18.5 to yes 26.0 beta 2. How it is possible? Of course now don't select the quick flash mode, otherwise you will lose your data on your iPhones. Anti-recovery don't select and fixed flash don't. Just we will go for retaining user data, and if we go for continue then it will start to now. So I'm going to do, but of course this video will be a lengthy, it will take scarcely 10 minutes, then will be a total complete procedure. So this is all about to know more. Further inquiry of course, and if you have any confusions, then of course there is the query below the comment box. I have the pleasure would be mine to reply to the query. So thank you very much indeed. Let's do it now. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.